Howdy everyone, and today we're going to have a look at the Helios WP3 10x42 binoculars. And from the offset I will say that at the time of this video these have a retail price of under £80, and so what do you get for that relatively low outlay? And please don't try to compare these with binoculars costing 2-3 times the amount. And so straight out the box they do feel very solid, they look the part. And despite the solid feel, they only weigh 645 grams. The focuser is not the smoothest I've ever used, and so if you do a lot of focusing on observing sessions that might be an issue, but to me it's fine. And it, from close focus to infinity, it's about one full turn. And talking about things turning, the Diopter Adjustment, I'm very impressed with that, because you can quite easily move it with the twisted eye cup in the down position. With some binoculars you find them quite stiff and you have to move the eye cup out the way to move the Diopter Adjustment and then move it back, but this moves freely with the eye cup twisted down. And standard accessories you get with these are the drop down objective lens covers, an all-in-one cover for the eyepieces, and a standard nylon case, and a very nice padded strap. So optics wise, quoted as fully multi-coated, nitrogen gas filled and BAK4 prisms, but again take into account the price, what the quality of those are going to be like. And when I tested them I found that high contrast subjects, even in the centre of view, there is some colour fringing, not excessive amounts, and it does deteriorate slightly as you go further out to the edge, so it's not in the same league as those costing 2-3 times the amount, but for the money it's well within tolerances. Colours and contrast, again adequate for this price range, in fact some of the best I have seen, and I tested these in low light conditions, and looking into the shadows they were more than capable. There is a little bit of fall off on the edge of field of view, and comparing them against like higher spec Helios like the Lightwing, yes, there is a lot more fall off on the edge than there is those, but then again they cost twice the money. Field of view, again taking into account the price, is 5.8 degrees. And for a set of 10x42s you'd normally expect that to be 6 or 6.5 degrees. And the close focus with these, it's around about 6 meters, and I tested that and that seems pretty accurate to me. And so probably not suitable if you want to look at close-up subjects such as butterflies and bees and the plants just a couple of meters away, but for looking at birds down at the bottom of the back garden to infinity, perfectly adequate for the job and within that price range. So summing up, if you was to walk into a bird hide with a set of these, you would not look out of place. You wouldn't look like you was carrying a set of budget binoculars around your neck, and for the price they come highly recommended. So thank you very much for watching, and please check out the links in the description below.